Okay, hello everybody. This is gonna be a trade recap. I just removed everything because um, I think it'll be more helpful for me because I have to actively look to see. I'll see if made any mistakes. While I'm doing the recap. So my bias for the day was that I wanted to fill this big ass weekly gap. Let's look at the daily. Friday to Monday. This NWOG. So let's mark that out real quick. Let's just use this. Boom, that's the top, and that's the bottom. And off of that, I wanted a reaction downwards. So, yup, came into the market at right here. Again, I was waiting for this to get filled, this whole thing. So I didn't even look at the charts around here. I came in here. I scaled in after we got this big ass candle that we almost fully inversed. So at this point, I say that we get crazy bearish order flow, crazy selling pressure. So now I'm looking to find where I want to go short. Yeah. So let's remove this. We know that that's already been filled. Okay. And then we say this big ass fair value gap, this one right here. Boom. And we inverse it with this candle right here. So we inverse that. So that's my first sort of confirmation with that, and that same candle made the CISD right here. Oh wait, now let me use this one. CISD right here. Yeah, so I scaled in to the 1 min because after this crazy ass big up move, I wanted to see a rebalance towards equilibrium of that range and then a shoot downwards. And so this is where I kind of mess up. Yeah, around here we closed below and got everything. Yeah, so we come up, which is honestly good. I think there was a 5 min FEG right around, bro, what? Yeah, exactly. We had this 5 min FEG. Boom. That's within equilibrium that we tap into. Um, yeah. And basically what happens is I just rush it. See, right here is where I took my trade. We inversed this and I just entered. Um, and yeah, like literally like this. Boom, with targets at this lows. And obviously, this is a silly ass trade because first of all, we hadn't reached equilibrium. Second of all, we didn't get any sort of confirmation except for the inverse. Um, yeah, what I want to see is a change in state. Let's say I did. Yeah. So what I should have done is mark this out. Yep. Okay. IFVG. We don't get the CISD, so I don't enter. I wait. Oh shit, what do we do? Sweep that high, stop me out. Buy side liquidity right there. Then we inverse this. I guess we can mark it like this because there's no liquidity right here. Yeah, so we inverse that. So that's our first sort of confirmation that we're going back down again. Then we close above or below these lows. So that's our official CISD. And what do we do with that? We inverse. Oop. Um. Oh, yeah, right here. We inverse this FVG. So another one candle that made that inversed. So this candle is what I'm getting at right here. We got this change in state and the IFVG in the same candle. Boom, we enter right here off the close to that candle with stop loss above this candle's body because this is the a the A fair value gap close to our entry. Oh wait, no, sorry, my bad. Right here, because this is the candle that closed our or that we got the change in state on. So right there, put our take profit right here at the original target. Boom, we secure a 4.5. So yeah, let's see. What could I have done differently here? Obviously, which is what I'm kind of getting at with the video, that I should wait for some sort of. No, honestly, I shouldn't wait for manipulation. If this didn't have happened, and we just got this CISD, I would have been happy with the trade, even if it failed. So if we closed like this, see what I'm saying? Because then we get the inverse, the CISD, and yeah, that would have been my model right there. But instead, I took an L of like 4% on demo though. I'm only trading demo right now. Because I don't know why. One lot was like 4% for some reason. And yeah, I saw this too. We could have gotten a re-entry here, but I was like, nah. I already took my 4% loss, so I didn't wanna. Yeah, okay. That's the trade recap. Hope you guys took a dub. See ya.